Welcome back to the Gann Way channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into time cycles. As I've mentioned many times before, time is more important than price. And that's not just my statement, it's straight from W.D. Gann himself. So if you truly want to succeed in mastering Gann's methods, you must understand time cycles. So as of now, everybody should need to understand that you can't succeed in the Gann field without time cycles. There are different types of cycles, but today, I'll touch on one that many of you may already have heard about, the lunar cycle. The lunar cycle in trading. As the name suggests, the moon plays a critical role. To work with this, we need to track the longitude of the moon. You can use any astrology software or even an ephemeris for this. The key is, check the moon's longitude at exactly 12 o'clock noon. Once you have that, we can map it on the charts. If you have it, then we will start with next step. For this demonstration, I'm using the euro to US dollar pair, because it's international and almost everyone can relate to it. Now, here's something important to understand. A technical high or low on the chart is not always the cycle high or low. I mean, it can be, but it's not necessary. So how to filter out high and lows as per cycle? Well, it depends on how the price is providing support and resistance to the line itself. In my case, I use NinjaTrader because it shows weekend gaps. Why is this important? Because planetary cycles continue 24/7, even when the market is closed. And if it's a weekend, market will remain closed and there will be no movement, but still planets are still running in the market. So we need to give space for the weekend in x-axis so that our highs and lows can be visible much easier. So if we ignore weekends on the chart, we lose accuracy. Honestly, for this example, I have used the trickiest one so that you gain something out of it. If you see the technical high on this chart should be 16th of May 2024, but instead we are using 20th May as our high. You see how price is respecting the line here and the low came on 30th of May 2024. Well, the price is not cutting the line, which is more important. I mean, it can cut, but not every time. On 24th May the price went more than the line resistance but closed just below it, and it shows it's respecting the line. So now you gain understanding of cycle high and low. We should need to move to time cycles, and that is what is most important in today's topic. So I have again used euro to US dollar currency pair for demonstration. You can see there are highs and lows. And what I have done is marked out moon longitude on the day when high or low. So what's important here is that these degrees of the moon are so important now, because these are critical degrees. And they will repeat in the future. Once you correctly identify these cycle highs and lows, the real magic begins. Now, mark the moon's longitude on those dates. Those specific degrees are what we call critical degrees. And here's the key. These degrees will repeat in the future. When they do, the market is likely to turn again. The distance between those repetitions gives us the time cycle length. This is how we project future highs and lows, not just guess them. But you need to know the length after which it will repeat, and that is what we call time cycle length. So today, you've learned why time is more important than price, how to filter technical highs or lows and cycle highs or lows, and how the moon's longitude helps us identify repeating time cycles. If you'd like to go deeper into this and access full mentorship and research, join us today. Mail us at analystgann@gmail.com to know more. And don't forget, if you found this valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss my next lesson on Gann's methods.